Hey, what's up guys? It's Mike Nardi here. Today we're doing another Fiverr seller review. Today's seller is someone who specializes in creative writing. He's from Pakistan, has been doing this for just a little while, but he's already racked up 50 or so orders. So I'm excited to review his profile and see if there's any areas that I can help him improve. The areas I'll be focusing on today start with his Fiverr profile. I'm going to look at that, see if there's anywhere that we can improve either the profile description or any of his skills listings there. Then I'll jump into the gig. I'll take a look at the title, both from an SEO perspective and just to take a look at whether or not it actually sounds right. Then I'll move down to his gig gallery and portfolio section. That's usually really important for convincing buyers, what you're capable of. And lastly, I'll finish off by reviewing the gig description. That's usually an area where a lot of people need the most help. So I hope this video is going to be really helpful for anyone watching. If you're new here, like the video and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. Let's get into the review.
All right, so looking at Hassan's Fiverr profile, starting with your picture, I love that you use a picture of yourself. You got like a real thoughtful look going on here. I love it. Ready, willing, and able. All right, this gets your buyers fired up. I think that's a good tagline. So you're from Pakistan. You've been on Fiverr since April 2019. You have an awesome response time, and it looks like you have had a recent delivery. This all checks out. You did a freelancing essentials course on Fiverr Learn. I think any courses you do on Fiverr Learn and showing your profile can only help. So I think that's great. We'll go down to your description. I'll read it out. So I am a mechanical engineer. Although my field is engineering, my passion is writing, and I do it as much as I can in my spare time. Thus, a man with many talents. I think that's pretty awesome. One recommendation I have is I'd go into a little bit more detail about your writing skills, talk about some of the things you can write, what your passions are in writing and why someone might want to hire you to write for them. I've mentioned this in a number of my other reviews, but there's limited real estate on the Fiverr profile page to sell yourself. So the description area is a great place to do that. I think what you have there is awesome, but maybe go into a little bit more detail about some of your skills to really help sell your services. So you've done a couple of different skill tests. I think that's pretty cool. You passed the English language test. I actually did one. There's a basic English one that's pretty easy to pass. I think that's one if you're into doing these tests, do that one as well. It's pretty easy. Could give you pump up your numbers there to give people the impression that you can speak really well. And then you did a content writing one. Really good. You list a number of the different skills that you do or you have, which is awesome. So we put some in here like engineering, mathematics, physics, ANSYS, and then ones related to content writing. So I would pump up some more related to your writing skills, right? If that's what your gig is all about, I would really focus and hammer home the writing here in the skills section. I mean, all these other skills are cool, but we want to try to keep things on brand with what your buyers might be looking for. You list your education, that's awesome, and then you have a number of different certifications in Microsoft, and then you did the craft of writing on Lynda. Really cool. Overall, I think your profile is pretty solid. It's obvious that you've already started racking up the orders, which is great. Good job. Only thing I would recommend is maybe pump up the description a little bit here. Go into a little bit more detail about the skills that you have in writing, and then maybe add some more writing specific skills here in the skills section. Otherwise, really, really good. All right, so the gig you wanted me to review was this one where you do creative writing, story writing, and script writing. So starting with the title, I will do creative writing, story writing, and script writing. I think that's a pretty good title, but one of the things to think about when creating a gig title is to make sure that it targets SEO. So for this gig, I don't know if I would really change it because it looks like you're already starting to get a bunch of orders. You have 7 in the queue and have completed 50. But you might want to consider creating a couple separate gigs targeting each of these individual keywords. I will do creative writing, or I will do story writing, or I will do script writing. That'll give you a couple more at-bats or opportunities to rank in Fiverr search for those specific keywords. Since this gig seems to have already taken off and is getting traction and getting you orders, I wouldn't recommend really tweaking that on this one, but you might want to consider creating some other gigs that focus on those keywords. So going through your portfolio here, so creative writing, unique, catchy, and engaging, and then you list a couple of your past work. I think that's great. So it's It's interesting. So I do copywriting on Fiverr as well, and I don't include anything in my portfolio because in my world where I'm doing sales copy or marketing copy, there's always the chance that copycats use your portfolio to replicate your services without paying you. However, in the world of creative writing, I think it's good that you included some portfolio pieces just to show people interested in short stories or creative writing, your writer, the voice you have as a writer. So I think that's really good. Overall, good subject line, good little portfolio here. You're already getting orders in, so it seems like you're on the right track. All right, so moving down to the gig description. I'll read it out and let you know what I think. So, hi there. Are you looking for someone who can write catchy, creative, and engaging content? Well, you've come to the right place. I have years of experience as a creative writer and have written limitless content for my clients all over the world. Having gained priceless expertise over time, I offer the following services in this gig. Creative writing, story writing, script writing, essay writing. One thing I mentioned earlier is these are all actually opportunities for you to create their own gigs that rank against these individual keywords. So all great skills. Great that you outlined them here. And I wouldn't really change too much of this gig since you're already getting orders, but definitely an opportunity to create more gigs. And then you list why they should choose you. So 4 years of writing experience, original content, Microsoft certified specialist, responsive and cooperative, etc. You don't write erotica, that's great. You run a good, clean show, and you list the type of formats that you'll send this out. Overall, this is an amazing gig. This description is awesome. It tells what you do, why they should choose you, and how to contact you. Your portfolio is awesome, and you've obviously already gotten started making a bunch of orders. So good job. Leave a comment. Let us know how your journey goes. I wouldn't be surprised if you're a top-rated seller in no time. This is a great gig, so good job.
All right, so that's all I have for this review. Overall, it looks like this seller is well on his way to becoming really successful on Fiverr. It seems like he has a passion for writing. It seems like people like his work, and he's doing great so far. So I really hope that the few tips I had for you were helpful. And for anyone watching, I hope they're helpful for you too. I've actually put out a video recently that, does a little bit of a walkthrough. It's actually a tutorial for how I've grown my copywriting business on Fiverr. If you're interested in writing, you should check out that video. I'll put a link on the screen here in the description. It should be really helpful. So thanks again for stopping by. I hope this was helpful, and until next time, cheers.